before you want to start an Afrobeat, look at the metronome. Ranges from 85 from 1 to 150. So you have to just start from your metronome is 100 BPM. So now just come here. The most important thing in Afrobeat is this: your drum selections. Your drum selections matters a lot. If you don't know how to select your drums, then dangerously your battery is low. So let me just select drums, like select some, you can say claps. There's a popular one, okay, like this. Load this one, just put on your metronome on, and then you try to paint in something, just try to build in something. Like there is this Afro bang that is like this. That's a typical one, right? Yeah, that is the typical one here. I mean, if you are now from there, you can add, you now add something like, you say, let me just stack it. If I can stack it and stack with this one, let's just see how we can stack it with. But there are so many ways to stack your percussions in FL Studio, like in Afrobeat. We look for something like, it's, that means be very very concerned when you want to select your drums. Your precautions too, they matters a lot. It matters a lot in Afro. In Afro vibe, this. There's something of this sort. So just Control B is there. So now Control B, then you come here to this other side. You Control B so that it should match the length. Yes. So come to this. Now we play. Now from there, now you may see to add something like behind, so we need to just paint it here. Something that's the conga, right? Now if you want to like tune your precautions, and to see whether that tone, you just go down here, look for editor, and you just say pitch. Now you say detect pitch region, something of such. Detect pitch here, this is it. So the pitch here is G4. So just go, this is how to tune your drums in FL Studio. You just go to G4, you come here, and then you like this, and you will see where G4 is. This G4. So if highlighted, if just right click and it is done. So you just go back and play. Now you hear the retone. That's the retone. Now you can now control it down to give you the sound that you want. Like if I want to take it a whole step down, you just take control and down key. That's now. Let's go to G. Let's see whether G, because it's G, C4. This is C4. Now C4, we say this A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This G, this G4 here. You can see it with your own eyes. So this, just take it, shift up key till you reaches the way you want to. Now, yeah, let's give you the exact time we want. So if now if you like Tintin, you are getting a longer tail than what you expected. Like this tail, like this. You hear? It has a tail before it ends. So you cut it a bit. Yeah, and like that. It should be snappy, right? It's good. At a kick would depend how you are strong with sound. See, like if I take this and I put it here, just spend the 4 steps all over, you hear the way it sounds. That is the way. If you don't select your drums well, that's the way you will always sound. So that one is that is not a kick that we need for this, because in Afrobeats we need something heavier, something soft that will give us vibe. Let's say we take this, and we try to create. We are going for basics. We are not going for advanced things here. We go for basics. So let's go kick. Like we see whether we can add something to make, you know, in Afrobeats we need shakers and snares, rolls and all those things. So we have so much to cover. We have so much to cover. When we have so much to cover, that means if you are like, you want to learn how to make beats, how to do your own beats and make and post it online and make our own money, just come and join me and we'll do it together. So make sure you subscribe and comment in every case you find yourself not moving. So let's go to conga. It's like this. Like, let's take this one and try to like that. It's already a vibe. You see that? Like, we take this one, we put it, we take it, just put it there, then we'll look for our pattern 1. So our pattern 1 here. We now go to our song mode. It's mixed with the shakers. Now this is the very basic, very basic type of Afrobeat. So let's go to an advanced type of Afrobeat swing that you need. Like let's go to pattern 2 of these ones. Go to pattern 2. You can like in put it to 95. Yes, 95. Then we play. Thank you for watching to this level. If you enjoy my content, please give me a like and share to your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, so that we can go together, please make sure you subscribe. I need you as you know. Now going, I think we selected like this one. You can, it's already a swing, there is a swing there like that. You can use so. Now go put our kick. Make it as simple as you can so that your vocals can fit in well and everything fit in well in the mix. Because when you make things choked up in the beat like that, your vocals will be muddy, everything will be muddy, your song will not be nice, right? Not be nice. So just do it a bit. If you have the bounce, that is it. If you have the bounce, no wahala, you can go. And so we can end on these ones because there are so many bounds that you need to know. So the most important thing to know how to create your own bounce. Like learn from those that have created, like listen to music played and listen to the bounce of the beats, the way the kicks enters and claps and whatsoever. Then learn from there and it will be very simple for you to create it, to create your own bounce, to create bounds that are so similar and make also similar music that are nice too. Like listen to beats they have created, listen to them. If you want to copy what they have done, even you can still do it, but make sure you put your own touch in it so that your own beats should look different, right? Should look different from others. So obviously it should be, if you learn well. Yes. So if you follow me and follow well, you will know how to do it same, even more than me. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel and comment. Make sure you comment. Watching. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.